In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks, how to correct a reconciled deposit with a customer payment. If you've reconciled your bank account and later realized a customer payment was included in a deposit incorrectly, don't worry. This walkthrough will show you how to access that deposit and correct its details directly from your books. The key is to work within the account register so you're updating exactly what was recorded to the bank. Start by heading to the chart of accounts. To get there, click the gear icon at the top right of your QuickBooks screen, then choose Chart of Accounts. This is the master list of every account in your company file. You'll want the bank or cash account where the original deposit was recorded. Taking a moment to confirm the exact account helps you avoid making changes in the wrong place, especially if you manage multiple bank accounts. Once you've found the correct account, click View Register. This opens a chronological list of transactions that hit that account, including deposits, checks, and transfers. Look through the register to locate the deposit you want to fix. You'll typically see the deposit date, amount, and a memo or reference that helps you identify it. Make sure you're selecting the actual deposit entry and not a customer payment or another transaction type. Click the deposit to open it, then choose Edit. This takes you into the transaction details so you can make your corrections. Here, you'll see fields like the deposit date, the bank account it was recorded to, the memo, and the individual customer payments or lines included in that deposit. This is where you can correct things like the date, the memo, or description for clarity, the reference number, and which customer payment lines are part of the deposit. If the deposit combined multiple payments, you'll see them broken out so you can review how they were grouped. As you adjust the details, keep in mind that this deposit has already been reconciled. Changing amounts, dates, or included payment lines can affect prior reconciliations and your bank match. If you're making a substantive change, add a clear memo so there's an audit trail for anyone reviewing the books later, and follow your usual internal review process. That's all there is to it. By going through the chart of accounts, opening the correct bank register, selecting the specific deposit, and using Edit to review and refine its details, you can cleanly correct a reconciled deposit tied to a customer payment while keeping your records consistent and easy to follow.